Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, an unknown network error has occurred on your Instagram on iPhone. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, just open the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi and just check your Wi-Fi network. So just tap on it and now just turn off and wait a few seconds and just turn on again. So just reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Also, if you have another Wi-Fi network, just try to connect to another. And also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off your mobile data and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. After, just go to the general. If you still have this issue, just scroll down to shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need to you can try to remove your app. So just tap on it and wait some time until you will see remove app. Just tap on remove. After, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just write in search tab Instagram, and here you will see Instagram. Just download and install app again. And also if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and download and install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.